I'm lucky enough to live in Norwich. My wife and I have lived here for the past 20 years, and it's just a really wonderful place to live. We decided to refurbish this house, and in fact it was my wife that wanted the hot tub. I wasn't quite so sure. I thought, well, fine, we'll go along with it. But we've really loved it. It's been a very, very good purchase, and it's been a lot easier to maintain than I ever thought. You know, you hear the sales pitch, don't you? But when you then end up owning it, and it really is just a case of leaving it switched on and covering it up at night, and every couple of days I just check the chemicals, and if it needs a little bit more of this or that, it's just easy just to put it in. In the winter, we use it as an outdoor tub, but the colder it is outdoors, the more tempted we are to come out. So we've been out here really, really frosty mornings and evenings. We turn the Bluetooth on and listen to our favourite songs on Spotify. Carolyn turns the light show on, we have different lights cycling through, but it's just so relaxing at the end of a day to just settle into the hot tub. We were quite lucky when we bought this tub. There was an offer on at the Norwich Hot Tub Centre, so we just walked in and tried it. We looked at various other hot tub makes, and we quite liked the look of the Wellis one, and the price was definitely a factor. Very, very good value. We read some reviews and people seemed very pleased with it. It was how much more my grown-up children want to come and see us now we've got the hot tub. I think there was an element of coming out and seeing mum and dad out of duty and loyalty, but funnily enough, since we've had the hot tub, there's been hot tub parties and hot tub evenings, and I can't think that there are many occasions when we get together that doesn't end up with someone saying, well, go on, let's open up the hot tub. So I don't know if you're meant to have glass around by the pool or not, but trust me, there's been a lot of glasses around this pool. We've had a lot of fun. No, we've really enjoyed it. I have to say, I really have enjoyed it so much. It's so relaxing, it's so enjoyable, it feels such a treat, it's such a luxury, especially on the colder days, to sink into a lovely hot tub, turn on the bubbles, listening to your music, just zone out. It's really wonderful.